friends, as we eat bread in our meals regularly, but have we concern about it from where it came? To knowledge it, let's go into the video. First, the earliest bread was made around 8000 BC in the Middle East, specifically Egypt. Second, the oldest form of fermented bread is sourdough bread. Sourdough bread is believed to be around 7,000 to 3,000 years old, though the oldest evidence is from ancient Egypt. Third, the Portuguese introduced oven-baked bread to India. Navigator and explorer Vasco da Gama when arrived in India in 14th century. Fourth, Mr. Simon O'Young, the company was established in 2003, at Prangan Mall, Georgetown, and now operates more than 20 high-driven quality bakery chains. Fifth, the inventor of sliced bread was Otto Frederick Roeder from Davenport, Iowa, USA, who invented the first bread slicing machine, which cut one whole loaf at a time. Sixth, ancient Egyptian aristocracy had access to white bread in Egypt in about 2500 BC. Bread made with grass grains goes back to the pre-agriculture, Natufi proto-civilization 12,000 years ago. Seventh, baking company debuted clean-made sliced bread on July 7, 1928, a product that was met with mild success. Eighth, three main kind of breads are rye bread, French breads, flat breads. Ninth, a baker is a person whose job is to bake and sell bread.